think we have a question down here for this gentleman. How are you keeping?
Who do you think will win the match at the weekend? When can you take?
Yeah, that was my next question. So thanks for that. Who's going to win? Before I give Dylan an assist here. Just kind of get the move and room so that he actually gets a clean getaway afterwards. Who do you think Kilkenny are going to win? Well, these people down here in the black and amber, I was hardly expecting to say different way. Who's here for tip?
I think Kilkenny will improve. I think if it was me, I would play Tommy Walsh from the start. I think the game would suit him. I think give him a man to mark. With his he always is competitive. When I say after being left off in the last 2 games, he'd be ready for action. And my feeling is that Kilkenny might just scrape it. And who would come up with something different? 2 years ago in the Galway-Kilkenny match, Brian Cody put Richie Hogan full forward for the replay. Nobody saw it coming. He got man in the match. He destroyed Galway. He could do something like that again. His reflex will not move around. So, without beating around the bush, we have to call it. I'm going for Kilkenny to win by a point.